Hey there guys, how's it going? And today we are going to talk about the Staples Economy storage boxes. Yeah, now these boxes are very common, very much known around the world. I've seen these in my company and the companies I worked at before several times. Yeah, it's pretty standard companies to use these boxes to put files in, to store just about anything in, but usually it's files, binders, books, all kinds of anything that has to do with archiving things. It's really a really good way or good kind of box to use to store things in. Yeah. Now, when you get this box does not come like this. Okay, you won't see it sitting on the shelf like this. Okay, this box comes flat and you have to kind of fold it, kind of like an origami to put it together. Same with the lid. You see, this is what it looks like on the inside, and the instructions on how to put it together is right here, and it shows you step by step on how to turn and bend all the pieces. Now this part is the box itself to get that box shape, and this top part here is for the lid. I mean, it's extremely simple to put it together. In the end, it looks like this and has two handles on each side. Now, this part is very good. What I like about this part is that it's doubled, you see, because you have a fold right here that is doubled here. So when you hold this, it gives you a really good grip. And the same for the other side. Yeah, you can hold these really tight. It's not going to be like if this layer wasn't here and you have to hold it, it would feel a little flimsy. It would be just like this side, you know. It would feel like it might tear or something. So this is like doubled up on both sides to where you have to hold these, which makes it really good. And because you have this flap with your instructions on the back down like this doubles the strength of the bottom of these boxes. Yeah, that makes it so it's, you know, strong enough to hold whatever you may put in there, because it's doubled the cardboard. Yeah, and what's also good is that when you're thinking of boxes, usually you're thinking of a lot of flaps and folds to where you're, you know, flapping things down and taping them closed. And when you have flaps like that, the bottoms usually have flaps too that you tape closed, right? These are a solid bottom, a completely solid bottom, no split in the middle or anything. So it's going to be really hard for anything to break out of there. So that is one thing I really like about these, is there is no flap on the bottom here to just tape, because sometimes tape fails and it drops everything out of it, right? With a solid bottom like this has, you can pretty much put anything in there and it's gonna stay. If anything has to go, it won't be from the bottom. Yeah, which is really great. I really like that a lot. So that's why these boxes are pretty standard. I mean, I've used these for a long time to just file away all kind of old archived folders and papers and stuff and putting them away. It's really good. And on the front, it has all kinds of different storage instructions on where do you want this to be, where you want it to go, what the contents are. Is anything you can, it's ready for you to store this. I mean, it is prepared to serve your needs in any way you need it. Yeah, these are really good, and really, I can't see it getting any better than that. They're really good. I like them a lot. All right. Well, this is the Staples Economy storage boxes. I hope you guys use this information, and I'll see you again next time. All right. Bye-bye.